I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the voice changer feature in the iQOO Z3 device and how to use it and how to enable this option. So this is a question which was asked by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this iQOO Z3 model exactly. As you can see, friends, this is the exact version I'm trying to use iQOO Z3. So let me show you the comments which I'm getting right now. So some of the users, they do have the iQOO Z3 but they were unable to find the voice changes. So in this way I'll try to explain you clearly why you are unable to find, and you cannot find any kind of settings option as well for the voice changes. Let me try to show you the ultra game mode. So even in the ultra game mode you don't see any kind of option which says voice changer. Yes friends, in this kind of fun touch UI there is a one problem. So but what you can do is that you need to download a couple of games which are actually supported with the voice changers. Only then you will be able to see the voice changer option. For example, in the Call of Duty. So when you open the Call of Duty game, you will be able to see the voice changer option on the side. So let me show you whether it's possible or not. Yes, as you can see, while using the Call of Duty game, you can actually see the voice changers. As you can see. So there are a couple of games which are actually supported. So only in this way you'll be able to enable the voice changes. So there is no special option which is dedicatedly present. So you need to try the different games. Let me try the Free Fire game. Let's check in the Free Fire game whether it's present or not. So as you can see in the Free Fire game, it's present. As you can see, friends, the voice changes completely in the iQOO Z3 device. It's absolutely present. No issues. And make sure to check your software update. What is your current software update which you are trying to run? So right now my current software update is 1.776.2. This is my current software update. That is another thing which you need to note as well. And next, let's check the BGMI. So where is the BGMI? So is the Battlegrounds Mobile Gameplay India. Let's see whether this phone will actually support any kind of voice changes or not. And in this game there is no voice changer. As you can see, friends, only few games will be able to support the voice changer. So there is no voice changer in this gameplay. That is another thing which I thought of mentioning. So next is a PUBG. So let's open the PUBG game. So this is a PUBG game. Let's see what will happen with the PUBG. Is there any kind of voice changes or not? Let me try to swipe it. And yes, there's a voice changer option which is present in the PUBG game, as you can see, friends, clearly. So in this way you'll be able to enjoy the voice changers only in the few applications, not in all the games you will be able to enjoy in the iQOO Z3 device. That is the one thing, friends. If you want to enable the voice changes, try to download these games and try to use it. Only then you will be able to use this voice changer option. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. This is a small video which I thought of just demonstrating basic thing how to enable it in the iQOO Z3 device. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.